China unveils the killer whale unmanned warship. On November 10, 2024, during the highly anticipated Zhuhai Airshow, China revealed its latest advancement in naval technology, the killer whale, an unmanned surface vessel USV developed by the China State Shipbuilding Corporation (CSSC). This event marks a significant milestone in China's military strategy, showcasing its growing capabilities in unmanned warfare. Design and specifications. The killer whale boasts a unique trimaran design which enhances its stealth capabilities, making it less detectable by radar systems. The vessel measures approximately 58 meters in length and has a displacement of between 300 and 500 tons. It can reach speeds exceeding 40 knots, about 74 kilometers per hour, and has an impressive operational range of over 4,000 nautical miles, 7,400 kilometers. Source 1, Source 2. Versatile mission capabilities. The killer whale is engineered for versatility, capable of performing a wide array of missions. These include surveillance, equipped with advanced sensors and radar systems. It can conduct reconnaissance and intelligence gathering operations. Anti-submarine warfare. The vessel is outfitted to detect and engage submarines, enhancing maritime defense capabilities. Surface combat. It carries an array of weaponry including anti-ship and anti-aircraft missiles and torpedoes. Air defense. The ship can provide protection against aerial threats. Rescue operations. Its design allows for deployment in humanitarian missions and search and rescue scenarios. A notable feature of the killer whale is its modular mission package concept, which allows for reconfiguration based on operational requirements. This flexibility is reminiscent of the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) program, although the killer whale aims to overcome some of the challenges faced by the LCS in its modularity. Source 1, Source 2. Propulsion and autonomy. The vessel employs a dual diesel and electric propulsion system, ensuring efficient long-range operations. Despite being classified as unmanned, the killer whale incorporates a wraparound bridge deck that allows for human oversight, indicating a blend of automation with potential human command capabilities. Source 1. Comparisons and contrasts. Military analysts have drawn comparisons between the killer whale and Indonesia's Kluwang-class fast attack craft, noting similar appearances. However, the Kluwang-class is manned and features different specifications, making the killer whale distinct in its operational scope and design philosophy. Source 1. Strategic implications. The unveiling of the killer whale aligns with China's broader military strategy, which seeks to enhance its naval capabilities and assert its presence in regional waters. Liang Guoliang, a military commentator, emphasized that China's goal is to make Zhuhai a key destination for countries interested in acquiring Chinese military technology. Source 2. The introduction of the killer whale represents a strategic advancement in China's military technology, particularly in the realm of unmanned naval warfare. The emphasis on modularity, stealth, and versatility highlights China's ambitions to be a leader in this emerging domain. Conclusion. In summary, the killer whale unmanned warship showcases China's commitment to innovation in military technology. Its advanced design and capabilities reflect a significant step forward in naval warfare, further establishing China as a formidable player in modern maritime conflicts. As the global landscape of military technology continues to evolve, the killer whale is poised to play a crucial role in shaping the future of naval engagements. The unveiling of China's killer whale unmanned surface vessel USV at the Zhuhai Airshow on November 10, 2024 presents several counterintuitive aspects regarding its design, operational capabilities, and strategic implications. 1. Comparison with manned vessels. While the killer whale is branded as an unmanned vessel, it incorporates a design feature, a wraparound bridge deck, that facilitates human oversight. This suggests that the vessel, despite its unmanned designation, is intended to maintain a degree of human control, contrasting with the broader trend towards fully autonomous military systems. This dual approach could be interpreted as a recognition of the limitations of complete automation in complex maritime environments where human judgment may still be necessary. 2. Modularity versus practicality. The modular mission package concept of the killer whale draws parallels with the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) program, which has faced criticism for its failure to effectively implement modularity in practice. Despite this, the killer whale is marketed as a more successful iteration of this concept, raising questions about the feasibility of its claimed adaptability. The assertion that it can seamlessly switch between roles such as surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and rescue operations challenges the historical difficulties associated with modular military systems, suggesting an optimistic expectation of operational flexibility that may not hold in real-world scenarios. 3. Stealth and visibility. The trimaran design of the killer whale enhances its stealth capabilities, ostensibly making it harder to detect on radar. However, this design feature, while theoretically beneficial, raises counterintuitive questions about the trade-offs between stealth and operational performance. The vessel's size, 58 meters and 300 to 500 tons, might still make it more detectable than smaller, more agile vessels, suggesting that the benefits of its stealth design could be overstated in the context of modern radar technology. For strategic messaging, the killer whale is part of a broader Chinese strategy to position Zhuhai as a destination for countries interested in acquiring military technology. This is counterintuitive given the general global trend of countries moving towards more localized military production and self-sufficiency. China's approach indicates a confidence in its technological advancements and a willingness to export military capabilities, which could be perceived as a strategic risk, potentially escalating regional tensions, particularly in contested maritime areas. 5. Operational deployment. The vessel's ability to conduct various missions independently contradicts the common perception that unmanned systems require extensive support and coordination. The killer whale is presented as capable of operating autonomously for long durations, yet this claim may not align with the operational realities faced by unmanned systems, which often encounter challenges related to communication, navigation, and situational awareness when deployed in complex environments. 6. Technological paradox. The integration of advanced weaponry such as anti-ship and anti-aircraft missiles alongside the vessel's unmanned nature raises questions about escalation of force and the ethical implications of deploying autonomous systems in warfare. The expectation that unmanned vessels like the killer whale can operate with lethal capabilities without direct human oversight may challenge traditional norms of engagement and accountability in military operations, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. In summary, the introduction of the killer whale unmanned warship embodies a range of counterintuitive elements, from its operational design and strategic implications to its integration of human oversight and modular capabilities. These aspects reflect broader themes in modern military technology development and deployment, where expectations may not always align with practical realities and historical precedents. The unveiling of China's killer whale unmanned surface vessel USV at the Zhuhai Airshow in November 2024 carries significant implications that extend beyond its immediate military capabilities. While many observers may focus on the vessel's advanced features such as its trimaran design, speed, and modular mission capabilities, several important aspects of this development are likely to be overlooked. Here are some of those aspects and their significance. 1. Modular mission package concept. The killer whale employs a modular mission package concept which is reminiscent of the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) program. However, the significance lies in the fact that the U.S. Navy struggled to effectively implement this concept, leading to criticism of the LCS for its inability to adapt and fulfill its intended roles. China's iteration of this concept may signify a more refined approach, potentially allowing for quicker reconfiguration of the vessel for various operational needs such as anti-submarine warfare, surface combat, and surveillance. This could provide the People's Liberation Army Navy plan with greater operational flexibility and responsiveness in maritime conflicts, potentially outpacing U.S. naval capabilities in this regard. 2. Human oversight in unmanned systems. Despite being classified as an unmanned vessel, the killer whale incorporates a wraparound bridge deck that allows for human oversight. This design choice reflects a nuanced understanding of unmanned warfare, acknowledging that complete autonomy may not always be desirable in military operations. The ability to have human operators involved in decision-making processes, even in unmanned systems, could enhance the effectiveness of the vessel in complex combat scenarios. This balance between automation and human oversight is a critical consideration in the evolution of military technology and could set a precedent for future unmanned systems. 3. Stealth and radar visibility. The trimaran design of the killer whale enhances its stealth capabilities, making it harder to detect on radar. This feature is particularly significant in the context of modern naval warfare, where stealth technology is paramount for survival and operational success. The emphasis on reduced radar visibility indicates a strategic shift towards asymmetric warfare capabilities, where smaller, less detectable platforms can challenge larger, more traditional naval forces. This could alter the dynamics of naval engagements, especially in contested areas like the South China Sea. 4. Strategic messaging and military diplomacy. The introduction of the killer whale at a high-profile airshow serves as a strategic message to both domestic and international audiences. It positions China as a leader in innovative military technology and underscores its commitment to enhancing naval capabilities. Furthermore, military commentators note that the Zhuhai Airshow aims to establish itself as a one-stop destination for countries interested in acquiring Chinese military technology. This reflects China's broader strategy of expanding its influence through defense exports, which could reshape global military alliances and partnerships. 5. Implications for regional security dynamics. The capabilities of the killer whale raise important questions about regional security dynamics, particularly concerning neighboring countries and their responses to China's military advancements. The versatility and firepower of the vessel could lead to an arms race in the region, prompting other nations to enhance their own naval capabilities in response. This could destabilize existing security arrangements and lead to increased tensions, particularly in areas with ongoing territorial disputes. 6. Economic and industrial implications. The development of the killer whale reflects China's growing investment in naval technology and defense industries. The use of advanced materials and design techniques signifies a move towards modernizing its military-industrial complex. This not only enhances China's military capabilities but also has economic implications, as it positions the country as a key player in the global defense market. The potential for exporting such technology could provide significant economic benefits and serve to reinforce China's geopolitical influence. 7. Integration with other military systems. The killer whale is designed to operate alongside various other military assets, including aerial drones and manned vessels. Its capabilities to integrate with other systems could enhance the overall effectiveness of China's naval operations. This interoperability may allow for coordinated actions in multi-domain operations where air, sea, and land forces work in concert. Such integration is pivotal in modern warfare, and China's advancements in this area could provide it with a distinct advantage in future conflicts. 8. Environmental considerations in future warfare. The dual diesel and electric propulsion system of the killer whale suggests an awareness of environmental considerations in military operations, as nations increasingly recognize the importance of sustainability. The integration of hybrid propulsion systems could set a precedent for future naval designs. This focus on energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact may not only enhance operational range and stealth but also align with global trends towards greener military technologies. Conclusion. The unveiling of the killer whale unmanned surface vessel is a complex development that embodies multiple layers of significance. From its advanced design and operational capabilities to its implications for regional security, military diplomacy, and economic strategies, it marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of naval warfare. Observers must look beyond the surface features of the vessel to understand the broader ramifications of this technological advancement within the context of global military dynamics. As China continues to innovate in the realm of unmanned systems, the killer whale could represent a transformative force in modern maritime conflicts, influencing the strategies and capabilities of navies worldwide. Key points for in-depth analysis of China's killer whale unmanned warship. 1. Innovative design and stealth capabilities. The killer whale features a trimaran design which not only enhances its stability and speed but also significantly improves its stealth capabilities, making it difficult to detect on radar. This design choice is crucial in modern naval warfare where stealth can be a decisive factor in operational success. The vessel's dimensions, approximately 58 meters in length and weighing between 300 to 500 tons, allow it to operate effectively in various maritime environments while maintaining a low profile against enemy radar systems. Analysts should explore how this design compares to existing unmanned vessels globally and its implications for naval engagements. 2. Modular mission package concept. The killer whale adopts a modular mission package concept reminiscent of the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) program, but claims to overcome some of the challenges faced by the LCS in operationalizing modularity. This concept allows for the vessel to be reconfigured for diverse missions including surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, air defense, and even humanitarian operations. A detailed examination of the effectiveness and flexibility of this modularity, especially in comparison to the LCS, can shed light on the potential strategic advantages of the killer whale in various operational contexts. 3. Strategic implications for China's naval warfare. The unveiling of the killer whale aligns with China's broader military strategy to enhance its naval capabilities and assert its presence in regional and global maritime affairs. As analysts have noted, the ship is part of a trend towards increased investment in unmanned systems and advanced naval technology. This development can be viewed through the lens of China's ambitions to become a dominant maritime power, particularly in contested waters such as the South China Sea. A thorough analysis of how the killer whale fits into China's military modernization efforts and its potential impact on regional security dynamics is essential. 4. International market positioning. The presentation of the killer whale at the Zhuhai Airshow underscores China's intent to position itself as a key player in the global defense market. By promoting its advanced military technologies, China aims to attract international buyers and bolster its defense export capabilities. This element invites discussion on how the killer whale might influence global naval procurement trends, especially among countries seeking advanced unmanned systems. An exploration of the geopolitical ramifications of China's military exports, particularly in relation to U.S. and allied interests, would provide valuable insights into the changing landscape of global defense partnerships. These 4 points not only highlight the technological advancements represented by the killer whale but also open avenues for discussion on its strategic, operational, and geopolitical implications in the context of modern naval warfare. 1. The USS Independence LCS-2. The USS Independence is a littoral combat ship LCS of the United States Navy which was commissioned in 2010. Designed for operations in coastal areas, the ship features a trimaran hull that enhances stability and speed similar to the killer whale. The Independence class was intended to operate with modular mission packages that could be swapped out for different missions such as anti-submarine warfare, surface warfare, and mine countermeasures. However, the program faced challenges in realizing its modular capabilities and has been critiqued for its operational limitations. 2. The Royal Navy's Type 45 destroyers. The Type 45 destroyers, also known as the Daring class, are a class of air defense destroyers in service with the Royal Navy. Commissioned starting in 2009, these vessels are designed to operate in a wide range of roles including anti-air warfare, anti-submarine warfare, and surface combat. With advanced radar and weapon systems, the Type 45s are capable of engaging various threats. Their design emphasizes stealth and multi-role capabilities, paralleling the versatility promised by the killer whale in modern naval warfare. 3. The Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multi-role combat aircraft that entered service in the early 2000s. Developed by a consortium of European aerospace companies, the Typhoon was designed to be agile and capable of a wide range of missions, including air superiority and ground attack. Its modular design allows for upgrades and the integration of new technologies and weapons systems over time. The Typhoon's emphasis on versatility and adaptability draws a parallel to the killer whale's modular mission package concept, showcasing how modern military platforms are designed to evolve with changing operational demands. The unveiling of China's killer whale unmanned warship at the Zhuhai Airshow represents a significant leap forward in naval warfare technology and reflects China's strategic ambitions in the realm of military innovation. As we look to the future, several predictions can be made regarding the implications and developments surrounding this new class of unmanned surface vessel USV. 1. Increased naval capabilities. The killer whale's advanced features, including its trimaran design for enhanced stealth, high speed, and modular mission capabilities, will likely enhance the People's Liberation Army Navy's planned operational versatility. As China continues to expand its naval fleet with similar vessels, we can expect a transformed naval landscape in the Asia-Pacific region, where the balance of power may shift towards China, particularly in contested waters such as the South China Sea. 2. Focus on unmanned warfare. The killer whale symbolizes a broader trend towards unmanned and autonomous systems in modern warfare. In the coming years, we may witness an accelerated development and deployment of unmanned systems not only in naval forces but also across air and land domains. This could lead to a redefined concept of warfare where human operators may be less involved in direct combat scenarios, relying instead on sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence to make real-time decisions. 3. Global arms race in unmanned technology. China's advancements in unmanned military technology, as exemplified by the killer whale, may spur an arms race among global powers. Nations such as the United States, Russia, and even smaller regional players may feel compelled to enhance their own unmanned capabilities. This competition could lead to rapid technological advancements but also raise the stakes in geopolitical conflicts as nations strive to maintain or establish superiority in unmanned warfare. 4. Modularity and adaptability as key features. The modular mission package concept of the killer whale will likely influence the design philosophies of future naval vessels. The ability to quickly reconfigure vessels for diverse missions, ranging from surveillance to anti-submarine warfare, will be a critical factor for militaries seeking to optimize their operational effectiveness in dynamic environments. This adaptability will become a benchmark for naval platforms worldwide. 5. Enhanced surveillance and intelligence gathering. Equipped with sensors and the capability to conduct various missions, the killer whale will bolster China's surveillance and intelligence gathering efforts. We can anticipate a rise in maritime reconnaissance operations as unmanned vessels can operate in high-risk areas without endangering crew members. This capability may lead to increased tensions in regions where China conducts surveillance operations, potentially provoking responses from neighboring countries and the United States. 6. Integration with AI in cyber warfare. The integration of artificial intelligence into unmanned systems like the killer whale will pave the way for sophisticated autonomous operations. Future iterations may employ AI for decision-making processes, threat assessment, and even strategic planning. Additionally, as cyber warfare becomes increasingly prominent, these vessels could also be vulnerable to cyber attacks, leading to an arms race not just in physical capabilities but in cyber defense strategies as well. 7. International military cooperation and sales. China is likely to leverage the killer whale's unveiling as a means to foster military cooperation with other nations, particularly those in developing regions seeking advanced military technology. As China positions Zhuhai as a hub for military technology sales, we may see a growing number of international partnerships potentially reshaping alliances and military pacts in various regions. 8. Environmental and ethical considerations. The deployment of unmanned vessels will raise ethical and environmental concerns. Issues surrounding the use of autonomous weapon systems, accountability in warfare, and ecological impacts of increased military activity at sea will become more pronounced. Future regulatory frameworks may emerge to address these concerns, impacting how nations develop and deploy unmanned systems. 9. Potential for new maritime doctrines. As unmanned vessels like the killer whale become integral to naval forces, new maritime doctrines will likely evolve. The operational strategies that govern naval engagements may shift to account for the unique capabilities and limitations of unmanned vessels, leading to innovative tactics that emphasize the strengths of these platforms in conjunction with manned systems. 10. Shifts in naval training and operations. With the advent of unmanned systems, naval training programs will need to adapt to prepare personnel for operating and managing these technologies. Future naval forces may see a greater emphasis on training in cyber warfare, AI management, and remote operations, redefining the skill sets required for modern naval warfare. In conclusion, the killer whale unmanned warship is not just a technological marvel. It signifies a paradigm shift in naval warfare and military strategy. As we advance into the future, the implications of this innovation will be far-reaching, affecting global military dynamics, international relations, and the very nature of warfare itself.